to another video. Now, I'm in the garage as always. Real quick, I do want to appreciate everybody that liked my last wheel video. Well, guess what? You get another one. So, these right here, just magically restocked when the FR500s were caught. Now, the FR500s are caught for 350 bucks. I got them super cheap after I sold the SVE wheels.
Alright, here it goes. Damn, these are hard work.
Tell you. Yes, sir. On the red car too. Bye-bye. Just for the people, he hasn't aired it out. That's why he has his 10x10 off-road suspension. But alright, time to do the front runners. Ain't got no weights though, huh?
Boy.
You can launch that thing.
Could you?
Crap, boy. You set that thing fast. Yeah, go. Alright. Alright. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. I think you're clearing it. Here, check.
Oh, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Put your fingers in it.
What if the airbags fail and I crunch my fingers? But won't it hit? I mean, obviously you can't drive like that, right? Like, you know. How much below can you go?
Like a little more. Let me keep doing it a little bit.
Alright. Come on, fuck you, go.
That's all good.
That's all?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir! Damn!
That looks good.
That is good, bro. Yes, sir. Go. Dang. Perfect fit, bro. And they're gone, by the way. So we have these right here, and man, when I tell you, these wheels I've been wanting for 2 years. By the way, these literally are my dream wheels. I'm not making this up just because I bought them. No, these really are my dream wheels. Now, I don't know if I said in previous videos, but I've said that these are my dream wheels. My friends that know me, they know that these are my dream wheels. I don't want any other wheels but these right here. So I copped them, right? And man, do they look crispy, badass, clean. Anything in the dictionary that, you know, revolves around the fact that these look clean, bro. These are stupid clean. I cannot wait to put them on the Mustang. Now, real quick, before we continue the video, I want to greatly appreciate everybody that watched my Mach 1 cell panels, my last wheel video. Let's get this video to 50 likes. I will greatly appreciate it, guys. Now, let's go ahead and reveal what I caught. Here we go. Can y'all take a guess real quick? What do you think I caught? Man, when I tell you, these things are so clean, bro. And like I said, homies, it's the type of wheels that I like. So, when I tell y'all, homies. Man, I don't even know if I should show you. Okay, let me stop. Here we go. Yeah! Boy, you cannot tell me these things are crispy. Look at these, homies. Like, I can eat off of these. That's how clean these are right now. Like, god dang. Like, I cannot wait for these to be put on the car. So let's not wait any longer. Let's go get to it. Take it to that tire shop and put them on. So what do y'all think? Let me check them out with y'all. Alright, so real quick homies, this wheel right here is the FR500s that I had on the car. Now if you look at it closely, they're actually pretty similar. I didn't really, see the similarities until they were next to each other. If you see the spoke right here, it's kind of similar to the ones on the SVE3 series. It's just that the SVE3 series have like a million more than this one. And then a big difference that I saw as well is that being that this has more space, you're able to see the caliper on this wheel unlike on that one. Now, I do like these wheels way better. Obviously this wheel is very nice as well. And when we were swapping them over, the guy was like, hey, do you want the pony center caps on the SVE wheels? And I almost stood there for a minute and I was like, man, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep the SVE ones or should I put the pony ones? Let me know down below. But as you can see, there's a lot of differences here. They do have the similarities. What I do like about this one though is it does have the decorative like little beads around it, and I mean that's something that caught my eye. I know most people are not gonna like that, but I like it for myself. I think it's pretty dope. But what do you guys think? Let me know down below. Here's a side-by-side comparison of what the wheels look like, and I wish I had a side-by-side comparison of when the FR500s were on the car. Maybe I can find one. You should be seeing it. But yeah, homies, that's what they look like. So let me know down below. Let me close off this video real quick now. Alright homies, so that is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I keep these center caps? Should I put the pony ones? Again, just let me know down below in the comment section if you have any questions. But yeah guys, that is it. I know this video is very short. I mean, it's just a wheel video, but man, I'm very happy how the car looks. I just can't wait to take pictures now. Gotta wash up the car because it's just super dirty, but man, it really looks nice. Again guys, thank you so much for watching all my previous videos, liking, subscribing, giving me so many likes. On the last video we got to 60 likes, so for this video let's get 50 likes. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you till next time.